Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKLZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very nice move on this one after a pullback on Thursday. So now there's certainly definitely updates that need to be done. First I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here. Go ahead and get rid of a couple of these lines. Sure, these lines still do pertain. They're just not necessarily relevant. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. As far as the initial area and update that is needed to be made here, and this just comes from a basic rule in technical analysis, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas moving forward here of support is going to be right there at $17. Although I'm going to adjust that up here and make it right up there at $17.60 and call that the ideal level. You're say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest moving forward? And that would be if the price can stay above $17.60. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. If I can best visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, nothing fancy here. First one is just where did the party struggle today? And the party eventually struggled and stopped up there around 1885. But the good news is after 1885, then the next level, not that far away, meaning breaking in new highs is not going to require that much more effort. So keep an eye on those couple of areas moving forward. But all in all, very nice way to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.